This is bought on Amazon. So Foneso, I can't remember the price. It was about £10, I think. Let's open it up. Okay. It looks quite good quality. With something, yeah, this is a remote control for the camera, and this is working like a base, like a tripod. Okay. And good. And now is a menu. How to use? Should be easy to use. This is the okay. You can. Can't remember. Oh, it looks like you can rotate it for foam. Well, it's a bit stiff. Yeah, foam. You can put it back to that. Yeah, it's cool. And you can undo this, switch it to GoPro or other action camera, and then you can extend that. Yeah, it's quite cool. But you can only extend twice. And then it's okay, and then you can lock it. Yeah, but not the top part. This part is a bit loose, I will say, but you can still lock it. Yeah, but rotate the same direction, and if you turn to this unlocked position, it will be easy to like shorten. Yeah. Alright, cool. That's overall. That's quite nice. Alright. Okay. Yeah, in general, I think it's a very great value.